How to find activities settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here, and once you're here scroll down until you find these 3 points and then click edit profile and scroll down until you find interests, and that's it. Now just click activities, and here you can manage your activities. Just type anything you want and then save it, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.